Good morning, good morning. Welcome to day 29 of our 30-day transformation manifestation run. We are one day away from completing this journey. Oh my goodness. And today is important because we are not just celebrating the finish line. We are deciding what continues. Today's focus is choose what stays. Because transformation does not mean anything if you only visit it for 30 days and then return to every old pattern. We are not doing all of this work just to go back. So today we are creating your continuation plan, not a complicated plan, not a 20-step routine, not something so heavy you quit by the next day. A simple, clean, realistic plan that keeps your momentum alive. Because after this challenge, life will still be life. Work will still happen. Distraction will still show up. Old habits will still try to return. Your schedule will still get tested. So you need to decide now what stays. What practice actually helped you? What habit gave you energy? What assignment made you feel powerful? What shift your mindset? What made you trust yourself more? So here is your day 29 assignment. Choose 3 practices from this challenge that you will carry into the next 30 days. Just 3. Maybe it is your morning scripting. Maybe it is the language reset, the intentional movement. Maybe it is the financial freedom seed. Maybe it is the 10-minute skill block. Maybe it's closing open loops. Maybe it's protecting your peace. Maybe it's collecting receipt every week. Choose your 3, then schedule them. Put them on your calendar, write them in your planner, set the reminder, make them real. Because a practice without a place on your schedule is just another good intention. And we are done living off intentions alone. So, for my community members, once your 3 practices are selected and scheduled, head to the private board and report in with this command: done, plan, set. And to my YouTube family, subscribe so you can keep following this challenge. And if you're ready to stop starting over and start carrying your progress forward with structure, accountability, click the link below and join us on the inside this community. Because we're not just finishing strong, we are taking the standard with us. So let's go.